There we go. All right. Matt Klassen, TMA Blue Tech here at the MARSEC West event in San Diego. It's a 2024 iteration. It's the best, biggest, little exhibition of fantastic ocean and water technologies for the maritime defense and security space. And I'm here with one of our member companies in our pavilion. It's Clean Earth Rovers. Michael Ahrens. He's going to tell us about what makes his technology awesome.
Hi everybody, I'm Michael Ahrens from Clean Earth Rovers here at the TMA Blue Tech Pavilion, and I've got my Datapod Smart Buoy with us, and the Datapod Smart Buoy monitors water quality data in real time. So we look at diagnostic metrics that cover different types of pollution indicators in waterways, and what we're really trying to solve for is optimizing and automating the process of collecting water quality samples and getting them into the hands of decision makers that can help be more proactive about alerting their community when there's a water quality risk. So we monitor temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen, conductivity, and oxygen reduction potential. All of these can tell us different things like sewage spill events, algae blooms, fish kills, bleaching events, different things of that nature that would be really important for coastal communities to know and people that are interfacing with the waterway to know. And so all of that data is collected every 30 minutes. It's displayed in a time series graph. You can filter the data by the metric that you want to look at. And then we recognize as well that not everybody who is looking at this data is going to fully understand the raw metric of, for instance, what oxygen reduction potential of 200 millivolts would mean, right? And so we have integrated our Gilligan analytics tool. So you can look at your data, you can type Gilligan and ask Gilligan a question, and then we got signed out. Let's log back in. You can ask Gilligan a question, and Gilligan is your AI water quality assistant. So it will spit out things like water quality reports. It'll help explain certain metrics and the relationship that they have to each other. And it'll help diagnose any problems that you're having with your waterway, specifically around things like algae blooms and fish kills.
Very cool. And you collect this data via your rover. Is that a correct assumption? You have your rover and it collects it from the rover?
So we actually collected it not with the rover. We can put the data load and the data package on the rover, but it's all through the data pod that you see here. So this weighs about 30 pounds. Drop it in the water. The whole setup takes about 10 minutes, and you only need to revisit every 2 to 3 weeks to give it a little scrub, make sure it's clean. And it can be calibrated between 3 to 6 months, just depending on the environment that it's in. And like I said, it gives real-time data samples once every 30 minutes across those 5 different metrics. So you're getting roughly 250 data points per day at about $10 per day for a subscription. So to have one of these in the water for the full year would be about $3,600, which is orders of magnitude less expensive than sending people to the waterfront all around a city with a handheld sensor to collect the same type of data.
Cool. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it, Michael. Good luck to you and Clean Earth Rovers. Cheers.
Cheers.